Hey guys, welcome again. In this session, I'm going to tell you how to download plugins. So there are two ways. The first way is we can download plugin from WordPress library and install it directly. And the second way is we can download plugin from another resources like from external resources in a zip format, and we can upload that zip format via manually. Okay, I'm going to show you within these two ways. So first, I'm going to log in with my credentials. Okay, here you can see my dashboard. I'm going to visit my site in a new tab. We modified in previous sessions. So I'm going to dashboard again. I'm going to plugins. Here I can see the all installed plugins. Okay. So WP Forms is used to build a forms. It is already installed. So now I'm going to hit on add new. So we will install Yoast SEO plugin. It is a popular plugin. So search plugins. I'm going to install Yoast. Here you can see the starting plugin. Click on install now. It will take some time to install. On the other hand, we can download WP Chart app plugin. Okay, so I'm going to hit on download. It is like a live chat plugin. Like it will be, if a customer hits on this icon, it will be redirected to WhatsApp. Okay, we'll see. So here you can see the downloaded zip format plugin. So I think, yeah, it is still installing. So after installing, it will ask you to activate the plugin. So we'll activate all plugins later. So let me upload a downloaded plugin. So here you can see WP WhatsApp. I'm gonna drag it to here. Install now. Okay, wait for some time. Here you can see unpacking the package, installing the plugin. So finally it is also popped up activate plugin, so we can install, so we can activate it later. So guys, I'm going to install another plugin called Classic Editor. It will be more useful and user friendly of creating blog posts. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm going to install this plugin too. So now 3 plugins we are installed. Let us activate all. Go to installed plugins. Okay, here you can see, just tick mark all the plugins to activate. Classic Editor, WP Chart app, Yoast SEO. Go to bulk actions, activate and apply. So yes guys, finally all plugins are activated. Here you can see. So nothing is pending. We can delete this hello dolly and ask him at anti-spam. So no issues with these plugins, just delete. Yeah, fine. Now dashboard is clean.